Did you know that your coffee consumption could be linked to your risk of kidney stones? It seems an unlikely connection, but observational studies have suggested that coffee and caffeine intake might be associated with a lower risk of these painful formations. To dig deeper into this fascinating correlation, scientists turned to a method known as a Mendelian randomization study. This type of study uses genetics as a sort of natural experiment to explore causal relationships between risk factors and health outcomes. In our case, the researchers selected genetic variants associated with coffee and caffeine consumption from previously published meta-analyses. These genetic markers were then compared with kidney stone data from two large studies. One is the UK Biobank study, with over 6,000 cases and nearly 400,000 non-cases. The other is the FinGen consortium, with close to 4,000 cases and over 170,000 non-cases. With these elements in place, the Mendelian randomization methods crunched the numbers to calculate causal estimates. The goal was to investigate whether these genetically predicted levels of coffee and caffeine consumption were linked to the occurrence of kidney stones. Intriguing, isn't it? And what did this study reveal? Let's delve into the results. The results of this study might surprise you. The study found a fascinating link between your cup of joe and the health of your kidneys. Genetically predicted coffee and caffeine consumption was associated with a lower risk of kidney stones. That's right, your daily caffeine fix might not just be waking you up, it could be keeping those pesky kidney stones at bay. This study provides compelling evidence that higher coffee and caffeine consumption may cause a reduction in kidney stones. It's a fascinating revelation, isn't it? It's important to remember that these findings don't mean coffee is a cure-all, but they do suggest it could be a helpful ally in kidney health. So next time you sip your coffee, remember you could be doing your kidneys a favor. Stay curious, stay informed, and as always, keep questioning.